I'll be showing you how to create a table of contents, an automatic one that updates itself on Microsoft Word. Simple and easy. So to do that, we have this here. I've set this up. You can see this here. I have a header here and a subheader here. I have a couple of them in this document. I just generated them. So now to create a table of contents, what you do is on this tabs here, you move to references. Good. So on references, you're going to see table of contents here. Just tap on that to select your preferred one. You get me? Yeah. So now we need to have a blank page that we are going to have our table of content on. So now what we do is, let me put my cursor here, come here, and now let me break the page. Good. So my table of content should be here. Now I have this blank page here. I move to this tab here, which is references. Just like I said earlier, the table of content should be here. You tap on that here and you select your preferred table of content here. Good. So now let me select the first one, which is automatic table 1. I select that and good. You can see my table of content has been generated here. Now let's come here and you can see I have this header here and I have a subheader here. You can see it here. This header, this is under this, and this is under this, and this is under this. Simple and easy. So now if you want to update your table of contents, you put your cursor on it like this, you right click, good, like this, and then you right click and you can see this here, update your table. So let's say I've added a new one. Let me do that for you guys to see. So you can see at the option 3, I didn't have a sub heading. So let me come here, 3, I didn't add anything at 3. You can see here, I intentionally left that for the automatic update. So now let's add anything. Let's say Adams, Apple, and now 1, 2, 3 to select it. Now I come to the home tab and then make it a heading 2. Good. And it falls under this here. And now let's go to our table of contents page and you're going to see Adams is not appearing yet. So what you're going to do is we tap on it here. You see update table, just tap on that. And now update the entire table. Select that and then you press on OK and good. Adam Apple should be appearing here. So that's it on how you generate table of contents and update it as well. Simple and easy. So now when I export this as a PDF, it's going to appear. Now let me try doing that. Export as a PDF. And let me make it content and let me make it appear at the download section. I already have something like that there. So let me do it 1, 1, 2, 3. And now let me publish. Good. And it's here. And now let me tap on the Adams Apple and it directs me to here. You can see Adams Apple here. Now let me go back. And now Genevieve Boulder Theory, and it takes me here as well. So that's it on how you generate a table of contents, an automatic one, and also update it on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.